How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So what we will do right now is we will get the answer from Sweatcoin itself. So go ahead and open up the app. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left. And from here, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. And then on this page right here, click on help. And here you want to click on the option that says other common queries. You will get to this page right here, from which you need to click on the drop down that says, can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal/my bank account? And here we will be able to find the answer. So let's go through it. As you can see, it tells you that at the moment it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank account. Wait, let's continue. It says that the long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. But don't wait for this. Please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. And here it tells you that PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends, meaning that it is indeed possible for you to cash out and withdraw your Sweatcoins to PayPal or bank account. However, you will not be able to do that directly. Instead, you'll be able to do that using the PayPal gift cards that they will occasionally offer, and the frequency of the availability of these gift cards depends on the number of invites that you are bringing to the app. So the more friends you bring to the app, the more the frequency of those PayPal gift cards that will allow you to cash out your Sweatcoins to your either PayPal or gift card or bank account. So what you need to do, take it as this answer. Just invite a lot of people, a lot of your friends, so you will be able to get the gift cards here in the marketplace, and you will be able to withdraw your Sweatcoins normally, just like you usually do with any gift card. It's that easy and simple. So that is it for this video. That's how you can cash out in Sweatcoins. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.